Welcome to STS Steels and Tubes Industry Insights series, where we delve into the latest trends, innovations, and challenges shaping our industry. High-quality steel raw materials. From steel manufacturing to tube fabrication, our team is dedicated to delivering cutting-edge solutions that meet the demands of today's dynamic market. Advanced manufacturing technologies. Customized manufacturing services. In-house quality testing. Production capacity to cater 5,000 to 6,000 tons per month. Largest network for sales and distribution. Geographically strategic location to streamline transportation logistics for the South Indian market. Join us as we engage with industry leaders, share valuable knowledge, and explore opportunities for growth and collaboration.